So kopiemu ewa Asante mantamne emu anyumedia hodo bi yampanyefo gya na jejemu won hyedan wieye Sewua Hospital Afari Military Hospital KJT Market Phase 2 na Ghana mampanyine John Mahama wo hye Asante man nyina bo se hwie be afeno enko na wieye ne de sanyumede nyina na obehwe na wie ne kurakura e de amatime amofo nya no nko aso am interchange so obehwe amanani akɔho na sa kwantempo ne siesie ne so atumi akoso
Mampenyi John Mahama ene asofo ewa Asante mantemu ekodi nhyiemu ya wode na niswade wono eto won manim biem sere won mo mpaebo ene wachitai na ne nkasa yemu no ene wode tu dwase Sewua Hospital Afari Military Hospital ene KJT Kasee no ne fa etoso mienu no wobehwe na afi wawie ne nyina wo kyeremu se ewo mu se sikasem no enhyeda nko yie saa nenso ogidi se wonyame eka ne ho na asofo yi so mpaebo eka ho a obetimi ede saa adwuma nyina aba na wieye.
There are several projects that commenced under my previous administration and stalled under the recently outgone administration. I've assured Otumfo that we'll complete the Sewua Hospital this year. The completion would allow us to decongest Komfo-Anokye Teaching Hospital so that important rehabilitation works can continue there. I've spoken to the managers of Eurojet, the Invest, who are the contractors, and they have assured me that they will resume work in earnest at the Afari Military Hospital and ensure the speedy completion of that facility.
Enwechi okadeto aso se dwuma wodo betise so ame interchange ene akwan a NPP amanyoko ne hyase ne bi wo hono no oni sika ode ebeye nanso aban yi ebehwe kwan wodo befa so apesika ode bewie ne nyina ama wonom.
Other projects such as the Swami interchange and other road works were commenced without dedicated funding. But we have to look for sources of funding, and we're looking for sources of funding to speed up the work on these projects so that we can ease the congestion and inconvenience that the residents of Kumasi face. The Kumasi Market, KJT Market Phase 2 has come to a standstill because it was affected by the debt exchange. Now that we have finished the official negotiations with the official creditor committee, it opens the way for us to have bilateral discussions with the lenders in order that they can resume work on Kumasi Market Phase 2.